Baby, I love the Saw movies, but you didn't have to buy me a life-size Jigsaw Billy doll.
Why not, baby? I saw it at Toys R Us. I had to buy it before they closed down.
That doll is creepy. It was a little heavy trying to get it in here as well. Do we have to keep it inside?
Where else are we going to keep it?
I don't know. Maybe in the basement?
It's not going in the basement. Come on. Let's finish getting the bags out of the car.
Okay. Baby, did you hear something just now?
No. Something like what?
I thought I heard footsteps. Like something or someone walked out of this room.
Baby, I didn't hear anything. You're just convinced it's that doll when it's not. What the hell happened here?
You didn't do this?
No. What would make you think I did this?
Who else could have done it? Did you move him last night?
No, I didn't.
I left him on the right side of the couch. Now he's on the left. Are you sure you didn't move him?
Cardi, I did not move him last night. You probably did and you just forgot about it.
A red marker. I keep those in the study, which is across the hall from this room.
I didn't do this if you still think it's me.
I don't think it's you. But I do want to find out who's behind this. I'm thinking about getting rid of that doll. It freaks me out, and I think it's planning to do something to us. I like the doll in the basement. You mean the doll is going to do something to you and Offset? I think so. You want to ride with me to the lake to dispose of a doll there? You're going to throw it in the lake? Why not? No one will try to take the doll from the lake if they see it. I don't know. If something is wrong with the doll, it seems like we should do something to guarantee that it won't come back. Like, burn the doll or something. On second thought, maybe I should burn it. Where did that doll go? Where am I?
Hello, Cardi. I want to play a game.